Good morning, class. I hope you all are doing well. And so we had started with our one of the function of management, that was planning. And in that we had seen the definition given by Bill Goods. That is simple definition. If you remember, I had said you just remember it. Task of planning is choosing. And the second definition was given by George R. Terry. What was that definition? Functions of planning means assumptions for results, policy to follow functions, stages, and to decide the method to be followed. Right? And as I said earlier, planning is an intellectual process. Now, we are going to see characteristics of planning. Now, what are the characteristics of planning? So, we are seeing characteristics of planning. First is universal process. Planning is a universal process. It is present in every field like business, politics, education, religion, or social field. It's a one mark question. It is asked in your exam where planning is everywhere. Or planning is a universal process. Explain. So it is present in every field like business. In business, you know very well planning is there. Any business cannot be succeeded without planning. I had given you example of Reliance Jio. Take example Reliance Jio, when it was about to launch, they had taken 5 years of planning, right? They had winded up their other Reliance Communication and all that, and after that they had taken the process of Reliance Jio, and they had gone for a new technology that was for 4G wires, right? The technology they were going to install was 4G. So because of that, what happens? Planning is required in business. Then politics also planning is required. You can see recently many of the politics issues you can be seen by the government. Those who are going to the states that are going to be held have elections. So you can say in Bihar, in West Bengal, in these states elections are going to be held. The planning has been started. Is it clear? So politics planning is necessary. Then education. In education, does planning require? Take example of your own. You are a child. When you were a small child, now also you are not adult, but adolescence is there. So your parents would have, many of the parents, not I'm talking about every parent, many of the parents would have started planning, started investing for the education of the children. Either they had taken LIC policy, or they had done certain investment. If my child goes for a higher education, they go for a costlier course, so we can pay for it. That is education. And what about you? Those students who want to score good marks in board exams, they would have started planning. They would have started using that time. They know we are not going to school, so we can utilize this time. Is it clear? So that is what we say in education. Religion, any of the religion, you can say planning is there. Take example now, Jains, then Hindus. Two of them, their festivals, one of the season is going to start. Take example for Hindus, they are going to start with Shravan month, and for Hindus also Jains also Shravan month is going to start. But they there is for 4 months, and for Hindus that is for 1 month only. Right. In the same way, Eid again is going to come for Muslims. So what is that? They plan for religion. Take example when they go in mosque and they go for prayers for namaz. What you see? Are they scattered like beans, or no? When they go for prayer, there is special lines are formed, and unity is there while the namaz is going on, right? So everything is there in any religion. You go in any religion, planning is there. Where there is no planning, you will see a hosh posh is there or something is there, right? I had given you example of Rath Yatra. In that only I got two answers, and that two answers I had said yes. But in that, if you remember, previously, Rath Yatra was held with lakhs of people, and outside India also lakhs of people used to come. But because of this pandemic, what happened? Rath Yatra was about to cancel. Then Mr. Sambit Patra of BJP has ensured for the no any consequence will be there. So they had given assurance. So what was the verdict given by the court? Only 500 people per Rath would be allotted, right? 500 people will be allotted. Then you would have seen, if you go on spa, see on net, you will find it out, the sanitizations of the Rath, and everything was done, proper sanitizer pics are uploaded on the net. You will see the sanitizations are done, few peoples are there. Between every group there is one or two officials of the government, like police or army officers, whoever are allotted, that is planning. So in religion also you can see planning, or a social field. Now you can see in social also, take example, I'm just giving example of society, right? If you suppose you want to go for a house number 50, A50, Miranagar, right? Take example, you are going to Miranagar A50, and you are just finding out. So will you find 50, 36, 38, then 20, then 30, then 50? Will you find like this? No, you will not find like this. You will find a proper arrangement: 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. This is, you will have idea of it. That is social arrangement. So planning is done in socially also. So universal process is clear to you. Planning is universal. You cannot escape from planning. Yes. Next is primary function. Primary means most important. Other functions can be allotted after planning only. Planning is the primary function of management. Underline that line. MCQ. What is the primary function of management? Primary. Planning. Management starts with the planning. Other functions of management like organization, staffing, directing, controlling are implemented on the basis of planning. Other functions will be allotted on the basis of planning only. Is it clear? So you have to be clear. Your primary function is done very well. That is, planning is done very well. So you can organize, you can do staffing, you can do directing, you can do controlling. All the functions can be implemented through planning. So first was universal process, second one was primary function. Third is conscious and mental process. Is planning a conscious and mental process? Yes, it is a conscious and mental process. Everyone cannot plan. I again repeat, everyone cannot plan. See, planning is a conscious and mental process because in planning, decisions are taken consciously and on the basis of calculative assumption. Right? Planning is a conscious and mental process. Why? 1 mark question or 2 mark question, underline it please, student. Because in planning, decisions are taken consciously. Your conscious mind is used. If this happens, so this will happen on the basis of calculative assumptions. On the basis of calculative assumptions. Is it clear? Conscious and mental process. Flexibility. Planning contains various calculations and assumptions. Right? Planning contains various calculations. When you are planning, you will have various calculations and what we say assumptions. I had done this, so this would happen. That is only assumptions. Business enterprise is affected by external factors. Therefore, necessary changes should be made in planning as per time. Now, there are two factors that affect the business, that are internal and external. Internal factors are the factors that is management, workers, employees, right, related to the management only. So that can be handled by the management. So that is internal factors. But external factors are, what are the external factors? Take example, external factors are your, what we say, government policies, economic policies, then what we say, floods, natural calamities and all that, that cannot be controlled. Nowadays business are affected because of the external factors, that is pandemic of what we say your COVID-19, and because of that many of the business has been affected. I had personally seen some of the business has shut down. One of the company has shut down and the employees are searching for the new companies. Right? The reason would be they had not planned. This is the external factors that is not in their hand. But what is the other thing? Planning gives you to fight for these external factors. Therefore, necessary changes should be made in planning. Is it clear? Business enterprise is affected by external factors. Therefore, necessary changes should be made in planning as per time. As I said earlier, recently only I had said you, due to COVID-19, many of the companies have started manufacturing what we say uh, sanitizers and masks and all this. So can we, the companies that are going to about to shut down, they cannot start with certain kind of function that, yes, we don't know what they are facing, but they can. Is it clear? So whereas the planning is for unforeseen situations, right? So changes should be made in planning as per time, circumstances and situations. So as per circumstances and situation, changes should be made. Flexibility is the precondition. Underline and highlight that word. It's a 3 mark question. 2 mark question. Planning is a precondition. Flexibility is a precondition for planning. Means you cannot stick to plan. If this is not happening, I am not going to see success in my life. No, that is not possible. It is flexible. ये नहीं हुआ, कोई बात नहीं, मैं आगे जाके ये कर लूंगा. Right, that is only planning. So it is flexibility. What is the precondition for planning? Flexibility. It can be adjusted. Is it clear? Planning is not a static element. Whatever this is, once it is stated, it will not be changed. It is not a static element. Is it clear? Planning is flexible. Now, how planning is flexible? Precondition of planning is flexibility. Can anyone give example? Flexibility is the precondition of planning. Now, what happens? Take example. When you plan for something, you would have seen in many of the military's incident, you would have seen. Take example. Let me give example of that. Now, when India-China war is going to be is continued in the war only, talks are also going on, and they are fighting on the fields also. But people, our whole world was watching what India is going to. Are they going for airstrike? Either they are going to for that Uri strike they had done, that kind of surgical strike. People were assuming this may happen, but what we had done, we had banned 59 apps of China. They, why this Chinese? When you will study the case study about China, you will find they just struggle for the economic survival. Their population is too much. They need to survive economically, and our people were giving them earnings, right? So because of that, what happened? Their apps are banned in India, so they cannot get money from the income from that particular apps. And it is saying it will not affect China. No, it is going to affect China. Take example, if you are not finding Google, if you want to search anything and Google suddenly disappears from your laptop, your mobiles and everything, where you are going to? Do you have any other source of finding the things? No, we don't have. Na. Chrome is a Chrome is there. That is of also Google. So we are very much affected to it, right? And China has not allowed these companies to enter in the market of them, right? So what happens because of them? They had their planning is there. If now if their business is stopped, so the planning would be a different thing. They are planning for doing different kind of things so they can enter in the market. Is it clear? So the flexibility, now plans are changed. Recently TikTok was working, you see browser was working. They didn't had any idea if they will ban our companies. So what happens? Will they shut down the companies? No, only India is not the market for them. They will search for new sources. Is it clear? So their planning will not be affected. The planning A of India has been failed, so they would start doing different things. Like take example, recently I had heard Chinese hackers have started hacking the sites of the people. Right, Apple has given surety, confirm news when they Apple they had launched one of the version of iOS 10, if I remember. In that they had said they had developed certain software. If someone is checking your data or someone is copying your data, so that can be easily known. And they had find the clipboard of the particular iOS 10 or 9 whatever was that, their data was hacked, means they were copying that, right? So what happens because of that? They had started doing this the more ill, what we say, unethical works, whatever the reason is. But my answer is, if their planning is failed, 59 apps has started not working in India, they had banned in India. It is going to affect their business, but they will not stop working. They will find a new place for their market where they can sustain this kind of apps and they can continue with the income. That is only I'm going to say that planning is flexible. You cannot stick to plan whatever it is decided. You can change it as and when it is required. So first is universal process. Universal process, it is there, so it is a primary function. If it is a primary function, the function should be conscious and mental process. And if it is a conscious and mental process, being a human, we can easily accept the changes. So it is flexibility. In this way, you can correlate and remember the characteristics of planning. Now, flexibility is then precise. What is precise? Exact. Planning is a process for the future. We know that planning is the process for future. We don't plan for the past. Do we plan for the past? No, we don't plan for the Past. The matters considered for planning are to be studied exactly. Whatever the matters that are to be considered in planning, that are to be studied exactly. Statistical data, collected information, etc. must be perfect and precise. Statistical data, whatever the statistical data you would have seen when the matches are going on, one of the thing you would have seen, when India goes for batting first, this time they had won, this time they had lost. The particular team when it's go for fielding, they had the chance, the probability of success is this one, probability of failure is this one. So what they are doing, they are reading particular statistical data exactly, right? And when I had said you example of pitch reading is there, what is the pitch condition of the what we say ground, at that time also that statistical data are only useful to them. This kind of pitch is there, in this kind of pitch batting can be done easily, or runs can be scored easily, or wickets can be taken easily, right? Collected information must be perfect and precise. Whatever the data you are collecting should be perfect and precise, right? Perfect and exact, that is same as precise. Now take example, if we say we got 100% result, is that data exactly? No. So for that, assumption is not to be taken, the data should be exact. Recently we had seen a very bad result of Gujarat government has been announced by the Gujarat government. I'm not talking about the school, but exactly, and UP government also, half of the students had failed in a subject Hindi, that is our regional languages, right? So what is that? The data that is available is perfect and precise. You cannot say it is in air, no, they had not paid. It is exact data. Is it clear? In the same way, when you are planning for a certain project, your data should be correct. You should rely on that. That is precise. So first one was universal process. If it is a universal process, so it is the first function of management. So that is planning is the primary function. Planning is a primary function. So what kind of function it is? It is a conscious and mental process. If it is a conscious and mental process, then it should be flexible. We can exactly, because we are the planner, so we can change the planning also. We are not robot that had fitted, right? So planning is flexible. If flexibility is there, but flexibility should be there, but the data that is collected should be precise, exact. Is it clear? 5 is there. Forecasting is essential. Planning, most important. Forecasting is essential. Forecasting is done by considering future and uncertainties while making a plan for business unit. Therefore, forecasting and planning are considered as the first functions of management. Underline that line. Dash and dash are considered as the first functions of management. Planning we know. But what about second thing? Forecasting. Forecasting and planning are considered as the first functions of management. Again, I'm repeating, forecasting is done by considering future uncertainties while making a plan for the business unit. Now take example. A good example I can give you of Delhi, that is facing pandemic. You would have seen they are facing pandemic. So in the starting of June only, Mr. Manish Sisodia of AAP government has announced by the end of the June, or some date he has given, the in Delhi will be facing 5 lakhs of the people, right? Uh, Having this coronavirus affected by this, 5.5 lakh, not 5 lakh. What he has done, he had forecasted by seeing what we say his assumptions. But when you are going for assumptions, your data should be accurate, and being on that place, you are just creating a fear among your people. That is also not good, right? So forecasting is done considering future uncertainties. What he has seen, uncertainty is there, but while making a plan for a business unit, in the same way, when he had given this statement, you would have seen your home minister has come on action, and he visited Delhi, and he had taken total control over it, and they were working on the preparation of what we say uh, beds, 10,000 bedded hospital in Radha Swami ashram, something like this is that, right? That was done. So that is planning. Yes, if it is uncertainty, it is going to be uncertainty that cannot be in our hand, but we can plan for this. By doing this forecasting, we can control the virus effect on the people, right? So what is required when the pandemic is there in the country? So what is required? They require first of all hospitalization should be proper, so that infrastructure is prepared. Is it clear? So in business unit, forecasting is essential. You cannot go for negativity. You need to go for positivity also, and you have to think in the same way. Take example, I can give you a good example of forecasting is essential. When businesses were doing technical jobs were doing done at that time, many of the people would have found if we transfer our jobs to the particular latest machines and all that, we can work properly, right? So production can be increased, right? So that is forecasting. It is forecasting for future. Therefore, forecasting and planning are considered as the function of management. They are considered as the functions of management. So first one, repeat with me, universal process. If universal process is that, this is a primary function. Primary function is there. So we require mental and conscious process. Mental and conscious process is there. So we are human being. We can easily change, accept the change. So it is flexible also. And if it is flexible, then it goes to precise. It should be exact, and precise is there. So forecasting, by getting the data, by forecasting can be done. Forecasting is essentially, would have seen when the matches are starting, by seeing, reading the pitch condition or whatever the team, they would say the captains are asked about the person who is going to bat. What is your assumption? What you are forecasting for the run? And the play captain says, we are planning by this pitch, good condition, and this and all that. This we can go for run of 250 or about 300 of the, right. So what is done, they had not started playing, but they had forecasted by the considering the facts. List of alternatives. Planning is in any field includes various plans and alternative. Example, there can be many alternatives to increase the sales in future, like increase in advertisement, reduction in prices, training to a salesman, or declaration of attractive offers to increase the sale, etc. Selection is the best alternative out of it is to be done. Planning in any field includes various plans and alternative. Right. Any plan you are doing, so you will select the best alternative. There you can see example, there can be many alternative to increase the sales in future, right? If you want to increase the sales, take example, presently people are not coming in the market, so if they want to increase the sale, what they are going to see, will go for advertisement, reduction in prices. What is reduction in prices? The reduction in price, if it was of 100, it is reduced to 70. Training to salesmen or declaration of attractive offers to increase the sale, etc. Selection of best alternative out of this, it is to be done. For increasing the sale among these particular things, they will decide which is the best that is going to increase our sale, and that's why planning is what we say, selecting best alternative among the particular thing. Take example, you're going for shopping, you are seeing two three products you are liking, but you want to buy only one product, so among that whatever is the best you are going to select. In the same way, when you are planning for anything, you will plan 1, 2, 3, 4, and among that whichever is the best that can be selected. Suppose you want to go for take example, out of station, you are going for Delhi. In recent scenario, you can go by train, you can go by your personal vehicle, recently you can go by flights also, right? Now these are the three routes, but your economic condition will also be seen if you are able to pay for any of them. So you will see which is the most hygienic. So as a person, if I am going to select, I have a time, say I'm using the word, if I have time, I'll go with my personal vehicle, my personal to, I may carry a one driver for me, and me I can go through by road. So by road I am selecting, because as per seeing the hygienic purpose, I will see I had what is sanitize my car easily, car totally, and we are not going to stay anywhere in the hotels or something. We are going to continue till we don't reach to Delhi. We'll take our food packets, everything with us. We'll have other sanitizer and everything with us, and no one is going to enter. No one is will have any doubt that he was affected through corona or not. I'm going to go for the best alternative as per my choice. If I am having no money problem and no what we say time problems, I'll go for uh, my personal vehicle. But if I have a time problem and I want to reach on time and I don't want to go in lot of crowds, so I'll go for plane. And if I have a money problem and I don't have any option like flight and that, so I'm going to select this. So selecting best alternatives is list of alternatives. So these are the 7 things. Before that I continue with the next chapter, I want you to complete these 7 points.